Brian Gass here at PTPGun.com, and today I'm here to show you how to field strip your Sig Sauer P226 in 40 Smith & Wesson. Now before we field strip any firearm, we always want to double check, make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to go ahead, take the magazine out, set it to the side, and we're going to check the chamber. Chamber's clear, magazine is out, we are good to proceed. Now what we're going to do with this is we're going to take and leave the slide to the rear. We're going to take this takedown lever here, and it's at the 3 o'clock position. And we're going to take that and we're going to rotate it down to the 6 o'clock position. From there, we're going to go ahead and pull that slide back and let go, and the slide comes off. All right. The frame, there are more parts of the frame, but this is as far as we're going to take that apart. So let's take that to the side. And then we have our slide assembly. What we're going to do is we're going to take the spring and spring guide out. We're going to compress it just a little bit and pull it up and out of there. Set that to the side. And then we have our barrel. We're going to pull the barrel up and out of there using the barrel lug and set that to the side as well. And we have our slide. From here, you can do any type of cleaner maintenance you might need to do to your SIG 226. Now let's go ahead and get back into reassembly, which would be mostly the same thing, but in reverse. Take the slide upside down, barrel upside down, muzzle in first, set it into its place. All right. Now we're going to take the spring and spring guide. We're going to put that into the slide itself, muzzle in first. All right. We're going to compress it just a little bit, and we're going to set it in the bottom of that barrel lug. Now, from here, we're going to reinsert the frame into the slide. Now, with this particular firearm, it is a full-length rail, so it's going to be from the very front of that firearm. We're going to insert that rail into the back of the slide itself. We're going to pull all the way back, and we're going to lock it back with a slide catch. We're going to engage that slide catch, and we're going to take that takedown lever. We're going to rotate it back from the 6 o'clock down to the 3 o'clock position, right? And from there, you have now field stripped your SIG 226, and you could have done any type of cleaning and maintenance you might needed to do. But now that we have it reassembled, we want to go ahead and do a functions check to make sure that we put it back together properly. So, give the firearm point a safe direction. We're going to go ahead and pull that slide back and let go. And we're going to go ahead and we are going to pull that trigger and let go. We're going to pull the slide back and let go. We're going to pull that trigger once more and let go. Now, from here, we're going to actually do it from double action, because before we did it with the hammer back. Now we're going to do it with the hammer forward in double action. We're going to pull that trigger. It's going to be a long trigger squeeze all the way. Hold it to the rear, all right? Now we're going to pull that trigger, we're going to pull that slide back and let go. We're going to release the trigger just until we hear and feel that click. We're going to pull the trigger just a little bit. All right, we're going to hold the trigger to the rear. We're going to pull the slide back and let go. We're going to release that trigger just until we hear and feel that click. And now we're going to take that finger back off that trigger. We're going to now test the decocking lever. All right, with the hammer to the rear, we're going to take that decocking lever, we're going to rotate it down and let go. All right, I'm going to try it one more time. I'm going to pull the hammer back manually with my thumb, take that decocking lever, decock the firearm, and let go. For more videos on how to field strip your handgun, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, PTPGun.com Firearms Training. And be sure to hit that subscribe button, as we have many more videos coming down the pipe for you. If there's any particular firearms you'd like to see us do, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Let us know what you'd like to see done next on the video for Field Strip Friday. Thank you all again, stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail.